So, hello guys, my name is Osvaldo Putra Salantosoid, and my student number is 2471 650021. I'm a student of Communication Science, and today I would like to share my goals in life with you. From a young age, I already knew I would to work in creative world, especially in the film and the television industry. I grew up with a strong love for movies, and I remember how watching them made me feels like I was entering another world. That's when I started dreaming that one day I will be a part of the people who make those amazing stories come alive. Growing up, I love cartoon movies, movies, and action movies. My favorite animated movie has always been Toy Story. I love the emotion, the character, and the imagination of the film. I also enjoyed the Star Wars movie with the epic storytelling and world building. Later, I became a big fan of Marvel's movies. Especially, I really love Guardian of Galaxy movie and Spider-Man. Those movies had everything action, comedy, emotion, and a memorable character. I always imagine that maybe one day I will work on something like that. I also really enjoyed comedy, not only in movies but also on television. I used to watch many comedy television shows, and they always made me day better. I love the way that they use humor to connect with people. I remember thinking maybe I will create something like this in the future. Sounds like this made me realize how powerful comedy can be in storytelling. Besides international films, I also enjoyed a Indonesian comedy movie like Cek Toko Sebelah and Agak Lain. They are creative, funny, relatable. I noticed that whether it's local or international, a good comedy story could leave a strong impression on the audience, and I knew I would love to be a part of that process. To get closer to my dream, I studied in multimedia in vocational high school for 3 years. During that time, I learned about video editing, shooting film, basic animation, photography, and sound design. Those experience gave me a better understanding about how making a film and TV show are made, and I enjoyed every part of it. At one point, I also thought I will try something different, like a radio broadcasting. I imagine myself as a radio announcer, talking to listener, sharing a music and news, or maybe sharing a film recommendation. Um, it seems like a fun job, and I believe it. I will improve my communication skill and confidence. But the more I explore, the more I felt that my true passion was still in visual media. Now that I'm a communication science student, I believe that I'm on the right path. My education now would help me develop my skills that I need to be a great communicator, both in content and in message. Whether it's creating short film, directing TV programs, or even making online content, I know that I will enjoy being in creative environment. In the future, I hope I will work in the film or television industry, maybe in a production house or a creative team. I want to keep learning, growing, and making content uh, that I people can connect with whether it's package, emotional, or full of laughter. I know the journey won't be easy, but I also know that with passion and effort, I will be able to achieve it. Thank you for watching this video and listening to my story. Once again, I am Osvaldo Putra Hasarantosoid, and these are my dreams. I will continue to chase in life. See you next time.